Good day, peeps! Milk and dinner. Today is day 4 na dito sa Cambodia, Phnom Penh. And it's a beautiful day. After the pre-test yesterday, I'm having problems exporting the data. I don't know why. It may be a survey B problem that I try to escalate. And let's see if they already emailed. So yes, trabaho pa rin. Okay, let's see. I think we managed to solve this one for you. Skip to the bit, highlight. Okay, there's already a solution. Hopefully this works. After the pre-test, very difficult for me to do. 100 kilometers away yesterday, province of Kampong Thom. And today, we will get the feedback from the enumerators on how they deal with the farmers and how they talk to the farmers and how they got the answers correctly or not correctly. Let's check it out. Okay, so it appears to be that I have so many different versions that being installed of tablets, so that's why there's an error. Hopefully I can work that out. Okay, so back to Cambodia. We're gonna check out the data sets and hopefully I can export all the data sets so I could clearly see all the findings, outliers, and things that we need to improve for the enumerators understanding. Back ulit sa Cambodia office dito. See, very big area. Okay, so the main offices. 1, 2, 3. Time to work. My observation yesterday was very nice. So I understand 5 of you are new, 5 are already experts. Even though you're expert, sometimes there's still errors or outliers found, and it's normal. Errors is part of life. We're human, so it's okay. So first off, yes, checking the version. But of course, as enumerator, you also need to check the version, the proper version. Second, the low income on rice. I noticed we are talking about year. So when you ask farmer, how much do you earn from rice from one crop calendar year, not per season? I saw one answer 12,700 riel. So only 1 million riel, very low. That's in peso 12,700, only one season. So maybe he plant one season, that's okay.
Yes, and it also depends on their lands.
Yes, yes. But that alone, you can already, in your mind, already assess yourself, why is it low?
Yeah.
But if that's the case, ask clearly, why is it this low? Because I experienced flooding, I have zero harvest. Okay, that's okay. You put in notes.
Yeah,
you put in notes that there's a problem. Why I have low income. Letter C. C2. We asked about non-agriculture land. But some people put land with rice. No need, because all we need is non-agriculture. So then suddenly there's rice 4 hectares, so big. House and lot is only square meters, very small. Why hectare? Unless it's very rich. Non-agriculture, sorry, real estate. So, commercial business, garage.
Nó có lắm á, chị đây hai cái house hay năng lột lọt ra một loạt đó nè. Do mà chị thay lại nó cứ up your right.
Average time, majority ended almost 2 hours to 2.5 hours. Maximum time reach was 3 hours. Based on yesterday. We started at around 10:30, we ended up 12:30. It's normal, especially for those who are getting familiar with the copy, know the techniques in asking, understand the flow of the questionnaire. Make sure in the land holding, what plots are you talking about, what varieties are talking about, and especially the largest plot. It's very crucial to understand the dynamics of the between parcel and plots.
សារអីចឹងទៅ plot ជាពិសេសគឺ plot គឺ sub plot របស់ពួកយើងនៅ confuse គ្នាហើយពួកយើងច្រើនតែភ្លេចសួរពីដំបូងឡើយដឹងតែកសិករហ្នឹងគាត់ច្រើនតែជួនកាលគាត់ច្រឡំពូជដូចគ្នាគាត់ទៅឆ្លើយដីនេះដីនោះនិយាយទៅកាដាំដុះពូដាំដុះឲ្យពូប្រើភាសាអីគេនៅលើអាដី20ហិកតាហ្នឹង
So these are the stages. Early stage, the flowering wave. And sometimes the stage of putting water also there. Siya lang masasabi ko, parang walang katapusan ng trabaho. After the pre-test, lagi may mga changes. So, well, expected naman yun. So, parang feeling ko lang walang katapusan yung tapos. I only have, and, naiiyak ko. It's part of the job. So, yun lang napapahirap. Nangitim na ata ako kakalipad ng drone at punta sa field. Anyway, hopefully they can understand everything after this. Pero medyo marami kasi you're asking about income, input use. And it's really headache for the farmers to recall. And even the enumerators to make them recall. So, yun lang. Anyway, let's hope for the best that we can change this. On with the training. Can we proceed? Okay. So E, F, G, H, I, J. Amount of seed, the seed rate, the seed being used. How much seed did you use for the largest plot? So chemical, you have pesticide, rodenticide, molluscicide, herbicides. So that's chemical. Fertilizer, we need NPK. We estimated 10 people, but you don't need to estimate. We need the exact. Researchers need exact science.
I mean, for example, if they apply fertilizer, so we just put zero.
Zero. Yes, correct.
Try come on.
Try come on.
Yeah, try come on.
And this one,
This one are sour soups.
sour soup.
Yeah, this is also sour. Yeah. Leng yang, we call leng yang leaf.
Chicken. No,
No,
fish.
fish.
Not chicken. In every questionnaire, we always create a manual where you can clearly understand how do you compute the price per unit. So you see, in the Philippines, Kapkum. Sama ko si Rika, dating taga-Iri. Welcome to the vlog. Oh naman, nagpo-vlog tayo kaya yan, dati namin kasama sa Iri yan. Napakasipag. Kaya ano ba madedeclare ko? Single pa. Hanapan nyo. Ikakalat natin.
kita nila, okay lang. Sa Pilipinas, napaka-big deal kaya no. Yun nga sabi ko sa driver, sabi ko, ay, yung ganun singit. Kainitan na yun ng mga tao. Dito, hindi eh.
So tapos na yung training, kakarating ko lang sa hotel. It's time to go around, roam around the places. Punta ako sa Starbucks kasi may nagpapabili ng mga tasa sa Phnom Penh. And check ko yung pricing. And also try natin yung Filipino food dito, malapit. Na nakita ko na isang araw, yung Mang Juan ba yun? Kainan ni Mang Juan. So let's see kung okay siya. And check din yung market, yung rush market na sinasabi nila. Hindi ko pa rin alam. Siguro tomorrow morning try ko rin pa tour doon. Still after that, still have to work. So let's go check it out. So street number 440 is where you can locate the fruits and veggie stands. Fish wet market, marami rin dito. So medyo mapasala kaya ingat kayo. Bigas snails. Ayan. Dragon fruit also very popular sa kanila. Very expensive daw dito. May atis din sa Kalansones. Rambutan. Mag-iingat nga rin pala kayo kasi nabalitaan ko lang kanina may mga Pinoy din palang namatay na nasagasaan ng motorbike. Kaya siguro ang dami kasing motor eh. Kaya ingat din kayo pag naglalakad. I suggest punta kayo sa sidewalk rather than sa road. Kung mapunta man kayo sa road, balik agad kayo sa sidewalk para di kayo masagasaan. Hinahanap ko pa yung Starbucks, di ko makita.
Head south.
South. Okay. Also nga pala dito, you can also use dollars. Pwede kang gumamit ng dollars. May pangpalit sila sa mga dollars. So may USD ka, bayad ka $100, masusuklihan ka kanila. So ikaw na ang bahala kung paano mo i-exchange rate yung real to dollar. But since ako naman ay nakapagpalit ng real, I paid everything in real. So I made them compute. So if dollar value yung mga napasukan mong store or restaurant, like this one, yung Brooklyn, so definitely ang bayad sa kanila ay dollar, which means medyo appreciated ang presyo, medyo mahal. Ito na yung hotel, finally Starbucks. Doon sa pinagstayan ko, maraming mga kainan, may Italian, may Mexican, Indian. So hindi ko lang alam kung ano pang meron, kung Indonesian. So tinitingnan ko na lang. So dami rin coffee shops dito sa paligid, ang dami rin turista na naglilibot, kaya you feel safe, okay? So okay lang maglibot. Yan, India, right there. Dito na ako sa Starbucks sa malapit doon sa hotel na inistayan ko. Apparently the price of their coffee dollar lagi, kaya minsan nalilito ako kasi I have real. So when I try to pay them in real, pinapa-convert ko pero dollar pa rin lumalabas. So the tall grande frappuccino that I have is $3.30. Pero if I convert it to real, nasa 14,000 real. And the mug that I asked earlier cost around $16. So I don't know if that's mahal or mura. So I had to call my wife to check it out. Laki ng Starbucks sila at di matao gaya na sa Pilipinas. So if you like to check it out, okay lang dito sa Starbucks. Nakapatahimik. So may free wifi pa sila, kaya pwede kong tawagan si Mrs. Mamel. Tawagan ko na siya. Ang lakas pa ng wifi nila, ha? Parang 34 Mbps, kaya very satisfying kasi 40 pa tao. So ang lakas pa ng wifi mo lang kaaga. Now's a good time to download all the stuff you like. Gusto nyo mag-download. Pwede rin kayo mag-game kung gusto nyo mag-game. So katatapos ko lang dito sa Starbucks ang Phnom Penh. Punta naman ako sa Filipino food na nakita ko. Hanapin natin. Hindi ako kung makikita ko. Kasi nangangapa lang ako paglalakad eh. So yun yung kainan na Mang Miguel kainan pala. Pero sarado. So sayang. Hindi ko siya matitikman ngayon. Anyway, hanap na lang ako na ibang makakainan. Baka authentic na lang na Cambodian foodie. Back at the hotel here in Frangipani, leaving ours in Phnom Penh. Guess what's playing in their screen? Check it out.
It's my vlog right here.
And they have free printer access. And that's the lobby right there. If you want to take breakfast, it's there. And on the 11th floor will be the Sky Lounge. If you like to drink, happy hour. I think the room accommodation here is $38 per night. And I think if you like to add breakfast, it's included already. So you can check out the prices at Agoda or even TripAdvisor. Check it out.
Okay, so I converted it. Example in Agoda. It will cost around $41. Right there.
Maybe later try to swim. Pero hindi pa ako nakaka ng dinner. Maghanap pa ako ng dinner. Try natin mag-dinner sa tabi-tabi. Mag-suggest kayo kung meron kayong masasuggest. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the upper left and on the lower right. Peace.